Songtian Electronics Company Limited was founded in 2012 as a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of high-quality and safety electronic components, including ceramic capacitors, film capacitors, varistors, and thermistors. We are one of China's top 100 electronic component companies. The Songtian R&D and production base is located in Songtian Technology Park in the Free Trade Zone, spans 75,000 square meters, and is equipped with fully automated and digital production equipment. Songtian has established a comprehensive management system and has achieved certifications in 3 ISO management systems. Songtian products have received national-level certifications from organizations such as UL, VDE, ENEC, IEC, CQC, and KTL. Ceramic capacitor and varistor and thermistor manufacturing. Film capacitor manufacturing. Songtian Electronics places a strong emphasis on R&D and innovation, building core competitiveness through multiple patented technologies and high-reliability ceramic material formula designs. Equipped with advanced production and testing equipment, Songtian provides strong support for product development and manufacturing. Songtian laboratories have been accredited as a UL-approved laboratory and an IEC CB-approved laboratory. Leveraging its exceptional technology, rigorous quality control, and attentive service, Songtian Electronics has earned widespread praise and trust from customers. Songtian provides one-stop solutions for applications in telecommunications, automotive, electronics, clean energy, home appliances, power supplies, digital industries, and power grids. Its products are sold worldwide, earning a global reputation for quality. Songtian Electronics centers its values around technological innovation, market demand, and customer satisfaction, carefully cultivating a heartfelt culture. We advocate for a corporate spirit of dedication in our work, joy in our lives, and unity in our efforts, collectively forging a brilliant chapter for Songtian Electronics. Looking ahead, we are committed to realizing our grand vision of establishing a world-class electronic components brand, striving to provide customers with higher quality safety components.